In this chapter, we will study about statistics. The word statistics is derived from the Latin word status, which means political state. Statistics is a branch of mathematics which deals with collection, analysis, interpretation or explanation and presentation of data. It is applicable to a wide variety of academic disciplines, from the natural and social sciences to the humanities.
Mean of grouped data. To find the mean of continuous frequency distribution, we use following three methods: direct method, assumed mean method or shortcut method, step deviation method. Let us now discuss each step separately. Let us understand steps taken in this method with the help of an example in which frequency distribution of consumption of petrol in liters per month of 54 families is given, and we have to find mean consumption of petrol per family in a month. In the first step, we make a column of class mark denoted by xi if exact observation for particular frequency is not given. Xi can be calculated by using the formula upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Like in example, xi of first interval 4 to 8 can be found out as 4 plus 8 divided by 2. Similarly, we can find class mark of other intervals. In the second step, we make a column of fi into xi by multiplying fi and xi of each particular interval as shown in the example through animation. Now, take the algebraic sum of these products, which is denoted by sigma fi into xi and equal to 792 here. Take the sum of all fi's, which is denoted by n or sigma fi and equal to 54 here. Now, mean can be calculated by dividing sigma fi xi by n, which is 14.67 liters here. Hence, 14.67 liters of petrol is consumed by a family in the given locality in a month. Assume mean method or shortcut method. In case value of xi and fi are large, finding the product of fi xi becomes lengthier and time-consuming. So, for such situations, we use shortcut method to find the mean. Let us understand steps taken in this method with the help of an example. Here we are given the frequency of each class interval and we have to find mean of this data. In the first step, we make a column of class mark and denote it by xi. Now, choose a suitable value of xi in the middle of xi column as assumed mean and denoted by a. As shown here, 25 is assumed mean. In case there are two middle values of xi, anyone can be taken as a. In the second step, make a column of deviation di by subtracting assumed mean from each xi. In the third step, make a column of fi di by multiplying these di's with corresponding fi as shown by the animation here. In the fourth step, find the value of sigma fi di by adding all fi di, which is 320 here, and also find the value of sigma fi by adding all fi, which is 47 here. In the fifth step, we will find mean by using the formula mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. After putting all the values in this example, we get 31.80 as a mean. Step deviation method. To make the calculation more simpler, in case all di's have common factor, we divide it by class width h, which will be same in this case, and can be calculated by upper limit minus lower limit of class interval. As shown in example, ui of first class interval is 1450 minus 1650 divided by 100. Similarly, we can find ui's of other class intervals. Now make another column and calculate product of fi, ui for each class interval. As shown here, fi of first interval, that is 5, is multiplied by its ui, that is minus 2, and we get minus 10. Similarly, we find this value for other intervals and find sigma fi ui, which is 7 here, and also find sigma fi, which is 52. Now the mean of given data can be found by using a formula which is mean and is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. Now, after putting all values, we get the mean cost of living index is 1663.46.